Welcome to Wisdom Academy of Information Technology. In this tutorial we are going to create Hello World application using ReactJS library. ReactJS is a leading front-end development library on these days. Before going to create React application, you need to install Nodejs for your development machine. Go to Google, and download latest stable Node.js software and then install Nodejs to your machine. Now you can check Node.js version using node-v command. Also check npm version using npm-v command. Open your terminal, type npx create react app command. This command will create simple Hello World React application for you. But it will take some time, please wait until complete this project creation process. In the very first time, project creation process will get more and more time, but it will depend your internet speed. After creating this project, you can build and run React project very easily. After completing this process, type npm start command. This command will start your React application on web browser. Before going to change this project, you should have good knowledge of JavaScript, HTML and CSS. But those technologies are very popular web technologies on these days. Because we highly recommend that, please get some knowledge about those technologies before start React development.